Hello everyone, welcome to CADD Nest YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to convert our AutoCAD drawings into PDF files. So if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe our channel for more information. In this video, I am going to convert this AutoCAD drawing into a PDF file. So let us know how to do this. So in order to convert the AutoCAD file into a PDF file, you need to use an option called as plot, P-L-O-T. You need to just type plot from your keyboard. Then hit the enter key from your keyboard. You can see a plot manager dialog box will appear here. So here you need to first set your printer or plotter. In order to do that, go for plotter. Under name, you will be defining your file as DWG to PDF. It means converting your AutoCAD file into a PDF file. And also at below paper size, you will be defining the size of paper required in order to convert your AutoCAD into a PDF file. And here I will be selecting ISO A4. It means I am selecting A4 size of sheet in order to plot my drawing. Go for a center plot here, and in the plot area, instead of display, select it as window, so that you can select this particular window to plot your drawing. Then after, you can just go for a preview. And this is how your preview looks like. Then just go for, at the top left corner, you can see a plot option over here. Just click on plot. And here you can save your file. So I'll be saving my file as AutoCAD PDF. Save. And I'm saving under our documents. Give it a save. At the end, you must see this message, that is plot and publish job complete, no errors or warnings found. It means your drawing is completely plotted. Now let's go for documents and check for a PDF file over here. So under documents, have saved with the name of AutoCAD PDF. Open this file and you can see your AutoCAD file will be converted into a PDF drawing. So this is how our AutoCAD drawings can be converted into a PDF files. So this is all for now. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.